Hi everyone, and a special shout out to you for watching this video. Okay, so now it's the dad Kevin's turn to make him something. I'm gonna make him a jersey. I already made him one. So out of a sock, I made a jersey out of a sock, and it's actually quite so fast and so easy. So there's the one jersey. So now I'm gonna make him another jersey. I use this pattern. I got it from simplekidscraft.com, but also on YouTube. Just go look for them, and they have got free printouts for many different things. So this is a Kendall shirt pattern, and it fits perfectly for Ken. It fits in. Okay, this just is like a vest. It doesn't come with sleeves. I already cut this piece out because I use it for this jersey, and then I made my own sleeve. You can also make your own pattern. If you go to my playlist, doll clothes, you will see all the patterns I've already made for the dolls, so you can just go and watch there, and then you will see how to make the patterns for the dolls. But this time I thought, okay, I'm going to take the easy way. I'm going to try a pattern that I've printed out. So I'm going to use obviously socks again for this jersey I'm going to make for him. This for the sleeves and for the top. I'm not going to cut it open here, so it's actually perfect. So I'm just going to cut it out here, and then on this side the two sleeves. So yeah, let's get started. Dad with his new jersey. Okay, he's got black shoes now. Now I don't want black shoes for him because there's brown in his jersey. So, but I did make a plan. I sprayed some white shoes.
So I sprayed the shoes brown. So now just wait for that to dry.
And look how beautiful it came out with the brown spray. I just put some cotton roll inside because I didn't want the inside to be sprayed. I was worried that the paint maybe will go off on his feet. So just take this out. Now say, and I want to make his soles black.